We were the original complainants that brought this matter of state capture to the courts here. We believe it's the right of the people of South Africa to know the truth about state capture. We've shown the fact that we want to fight the president at every corner, regardless of his delays and all of his ministers. And therefore today I think it's a great opportunity for the judiciary to apply itself to such a crucial matter and for us to get resolution so we can get that report and proceed with the actions that emanate from it to make sure those who have been responsible for state capture must in fact be held accountable.
High-profile politicians and lawyers make their way into Pretoria High Court.
The judiciary of our country has proven itself to be outstanding in upholding the law, and we are quite confident that they will not change from that. It is now essentially one of the few institutions that we base our faith.
We think that the process of capturing everything in South Africa in order to drive us towards a predatory state is finding an expression through this report of the public protector, and we're quite keen to hear what should come out of it, and we condemn the attempts by the president and the two ministers who are obviously very worried that the truth is finally going to come out.
President Jacob Zuma has become too skilled at delaying court processes. He permanently obfuscates issues. He permanently avoids the law and justice. You know, when we took him on the case about him stealing money from the arms deal, he's taken us years to get to court because he keeps using taxpayers' money to fight his legal beats. In fact, even in this recent budget, 2.1 million rands was allocated to him. So now he feels he must continue delaying court processes. If the report finds adversely against him, he has an opportunity to go to any court and challenge the public protector's report. But now that he wants to delay it, shows in fact that he knows that it was the Guptas captured Jacob Zuma captured the state, and he must be held responsible and accountable. So his delays are of a man running away from the absolute justice in this country.
Inside, opposition parties filed an application to oppose an interdict filed by President Zuma against the release of the state capture report. Meanwhile, members of the EFF marched in support of the application. During a recess that afternoon, EFF leader Julius Malema addresses the crowd gathered outside.
Our government is in the hands of criminals. Our government is run by mafias. Our government has been handed over to a Gupta family, and we in the EFF are saying enough is enough. We cannot allow the rot to continue unchallenged. We must remove Zuma now, because Zuma is at the forefront of collapsing the South African state. So we must defend unashamedly the democratic state.
Later, proceedings continued and the application was granted, with judges ruling that the opposition parties and former ANC MP Fakey Mentor could intervene in the application to interdict the report.